Soft drinks are consumed by millions of people every day, but very few know how a popular beverage like Mirinda is produced inside a modern factory. From raw materials to the final sealed bottle, the entire process is carefully designed to maintain taste, quality, and safety. This video explains how Mirinda bottles are made step by step inside an automated beverage manufacturing facility. The process begins with water, which is the main ingredient of any soft drink. Large factories use treated and purified water that goes through multiple filtration stages. The water is cleaned using sand filters, carbon filters, and advanced purification systems to remove any impurities. Only after strict quality checks does the water move forward to the production stage. Once the water is purified, it is sent to large mixing tanks. This is where the flavor concentrate is added. For Mirinda, this includes orange flavor compounds, sweeteners, and food-grade acids that give the drink its signature taste. These ingredients are measured with extreme precision using automated systems to ensure consistency in every batch. After mixing, the liquid moves to the carbonation stage. Carbon dioxide gas is injected into the beverage under controlled pressure. This process creates the bubbles that make soft drinks refreshing. The level of carbonation is closely monitored because even small changes can affect taste and mouthfeel. While the drink is being prepared, bottles are manufactured separately. Most Mirinda bottles are made from plastic preforms. These small plastic molds are heated and then expanded using high-pressure air inside bottle-shaped molds. In just a few seconds, the preforms transform into full-sized bottles. The empty bottles are then transferred to the filling line. This entire area is kept extremely clean and hygienic. High-speed machines fill each bottle with a carbonated drink. The filling process is fast and precise to prevent loss of carbonation and ensure equal volume in every bottle. Immediately after filling, caps are applied and tightly sealed. This step is crucial because proper sealing keeps the drink fresh and prevents gas from escaping. Automated sensors check every cap to ensure it is correctly placed. Next, the bottles move to the labeling section. Labels are wrapped around each bottle, displaying branding, ingredients, and expiry information. Machines apply these labels at very high speeds while maintaining perfect alignment. Quality control is a major part of the production process. Cameras and sensors inspect bottles for defects such as underfilling, misaligned labels, or damaged caps. Any faulty bottle is automatically removed from the line. After inspection, bottles are grouped and packed into cartons or shrink-wrapped bundles. These packs are then stacked on pallets and prepared for shipping. From the factory, the finished Mirinda bottles are transported to warehouses, stores, and supermarkets where they reach consumers. This entire process, from water purification to final packaging, happens in a matter of minutes. Modern beverage factories rely on automation, hygiene, and strict quality standards to produce millions of bottles every day. The next time you open a bottle of Mirinda, you'll know the complex journey it took before reaching your hands.